So, do you see this space? It was so empty, and look at the length of the curtains, they are so uneven. I wanted to convert this area in an affordable manner, a corner to read my books and a corner to sip my coffee. So, let's begin. Spread an old rug or carpet. Next, I took some extra sofa cushions that I had. Yes, they are really old sofa cushions. Why not make another seating arrangement using them? I utilized this bedside table to complete the space. There are two ways you can use this table, like corner stand placed perfectly where it fits, or why not a coffee table? Do you see the length of the curtains? They really don't matter now. I'm so happy now. This space has changed so much, just like how I wanted it to look. I hope you liked this simple DIY video. Please subscribe, like, and share this channel. I'll see you soon with another video.